This 5-minute solution will show you how to find out the forgotten username and password of your Snapchat account. So if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account but you forget your account username and password, still has a chance to recover your Snapchat account. Follow this step-by-step guide and the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. First of all, open up a browser and type here google.com. Now tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on manage your Google account. Select security. Scroll down until you get the password manager. Now tap on password manager. Here, tap on this search and type Snapchat. And if you saved your Snapchat login credential, you will get here your Snapchat option. So tap on Snapchat. Now verify your Google account. And here you will get your Snapchat account username and password. From here you can copy your credentials to log into your account. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.